In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege Ubisoft activation code error. So first thing you want to do is go to Ubisoft and you want to check if you have the activation key available. Sometimes you have it, sometimes you don't. So to insert the activation key, you go here and go to activation. But to check if you actually have it, then you have to go here, then go to account management. Here you under account information. So under account information, you should be able to see if you have keys, and you'll see like a button that says show key. If you don't have it, it's fine, it's okay. That means you don't really have it. And here I'm gonna show you the next steps. Now if that doesn't work, then go here back to Steam, and here you want to go to your Rainbow Six Siege game. I'm gonna show this in using this game. You can follow the same steps for Rainbow Siege. So you would right click on Rainbow Siege, and then you would click on properties. Here you'll see installed files, and click verify integrity of game files. And once it's done, you can close this down. Now if you're still having issues, then I recommend trying to uninstall the game. So you can uninstall the game by right clicking on the game and then going to manage and then uninstall. So after uninstalling, reinstall the game and see if you're still having any errors. Now you can go here to CMD and then right click run as administrator. Here you can write a command that could help you fix this issue. So type in sfc/scan now and then press enter. This might take a few minutes, and once it's done, you can close this down. So the last option you can try is restart your computer. And before you restart your computer, you want to make sure that you shut down all the Rainbow Siege game and all of the like launchers. So if you have let's say Epic Games running or Steam running, just make sure you shut them down, all of them. So here if you open this one, you'll see like Epic Games. You can shut it down by clicking exit. You'll see here Steam. You can click exit Steam. This will exit Steam, and make sure you also exit it from here. Make sure you exit Rainbow Siege as well. So make sure you exit Rainbow Siege as well, and if you go to details, you might see some folders also here running. So you can right click and then end process tree. And after this, you can just restart your computer and you're done.